Every great creation began as imagination. Every breakthrough first existed as a thought. The future belongs to those courageous enough to dream beyond stake from reality. It is the blueprint for transformation. I used to see the world as fixed, bound by fear and circumstance, waiting for permission somehow to become more than I was now. Then quietly my vision changed. Hope expanded past the pain, and every dream I dared to see awakened possibility. The strongest people first imagine beyond the limits others mention, and every soul embracing vision can create transformation. Imagine beyond the horizon, let your fearless dreams keep rising. No limitation can control a creative, focused, hopeful soul, with vision lighting every climb, and resilient like free climb, and resilience through changing times. Every thought and possibility can shape reality. I learned imagination builds the future hidden deep within, because an innovation first appears beyond uncertainty and fear. Every challenge became a spark, lighting purpose through the dark, and every vision strongly held began reshaping life itself. The future changes through belief, through persistence beyond defeat, and every person dreaming boldly can become extraordinary. Imagine beyond the horizon, let your fearless dreams keep rising. No limitation can control a creative, focused, hopeful soul, with vision lighting every climb, and resilient like free climb, and resilience through changing times. Every thought and possibility can shape. Whoa. See tomorrow before arrival, protect the dream through every trial, because the mind was built to grow far beyond what people know. No darkness lasts creates clarity, and every spirit choosing light can transform their life. Now I imagine greater boldly, with fearless purpose surrounding me. No fear can weaken what I see. I move forward creatively, with resilience, vision, and faith combined. I leave limit, challenge helps me prove imagination can change the world too. Dream courageously. Imagine endless future before the world can see it.